EJ12.8V 140Ah DIN H7 LiFePO4 Battery, the ultimate power solution. Premium deep cycle LiFePO4 Battery, drop-in replacement for AGM, lead acid, for RVS, marine, solar. 12.8V 140Ah 179 to WH LiFePO4 Deep Cycle Battery, UM38.3, CE certified. 1792 WH usable energy for off-grid, RVS, marine, and high-demand loads. Active Smart BMS with full protection and cell balancing. Active cell balancer maintains equal voltage, boosting efficiency and lifespan. Compatible with Victron Turbo GX, NMEA2000 for real-time data sharing. Bluetooth monitoring for SOS, voltage, cycles via smartphone. Auto heats below 0 degrees centigrade for cold climates and high altitudes. DIN H7, 9 for a drop-in replacement for Group 9 for our AGM, lead acid batteries. Powers RV onboard appliances for comfortable off-grid travel. Powers marine trolling motors navigation, integrates with NMEA2000. Stores solar energy for off-grid cabins without main grid. Powers automotive winches, lights, enhancing vehicle functionality. Self-heating backup power for winter outages in cold environments. Powers overlanding GPS, fridges, adapting to all terrains, weather.